lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see.
Hello friends, yes, I'm in Kashmir and right now I'm in Dal Lake and enjoying a shikara ride. And you know, in Kashmir, if you don't stay in houseboat, your trip is just incomplete. So today I have come to a houseboat and I'll show you in details, and it's just fabulous. So come, let's go. And one thing you know, if you want to stay in houseboat, the main mode of transport is this shikara. It's just wonderful, and if you stay in a houseboat, they have their own shikara and you can have a free ride. Like they will take you wherever you ask them to take. So come, let's explore with me the beautiful houseboat of Dal Lake in Kashmir. Kashmir is known as the paradise of earth. The paradise, it's so beautiful, it's like a paradise on this earth. So come, let's enjoy a houseboat tour with me. This is our houseboat, New Melbourne, and here I'm going to take a tour around this beautiful houseboat. Kashmir is known as the paradise on earth, and you know, staying in houseboat is also known as floating paradise. During the time of the flood, it's only the houseboat owners who are not impacted. The boats would simply float on the water regardless of how high or low the water level is. You can see the wonderful wooden work. These are all Kashmiri special wooden works. Beautifully decorated. The interior must be more beautiful. The exterior is such a wonderful thing. And there's a small adjacent garden type, you can see. It's just beautiful. This is the sitting area, like you can enjoy the scenes of beautiful Dal Lake and enjoy your tea or coffee. There's a small sitting arrangement over here also. Now we are entering the houseboat. This is the entrance, you can see. Beautiful decorated. Kashmiri carpet is famous all over the world. Chandelier. It's just awesome. You can enjoy your books in the free time. Decoration is wonderful, and this is, you know, this is Kashmiri stitch, and all over in Kashmir you will find these things. So wonderfully decorated this is. This is the dining area or the sitting area, whatever you can say. Some magazines for your leisure time. Utensils are there. Refrigerator, free Wi-Fi. Mind it, it's very important here in Kashmir. Kashmiri carpet is really famous all over the world. You can enjoy your hot cup of tea or coffee. Now we are entering the room area. This is the bed. This houseboat actually has 2 rooms. This is the washroom, having bathtub, 24/7 hot water supply is there. And now we'll go to the next room. This is a 3-bedroom. Wonderful. The interior is too good.
देखो ये कम्बल है इधर लगा हुआ है, ये देखिए फ्रेश कम्बल से, और ये कढ़ाई हुआ जो है होते ऊपर बेड कवर बोलते हैं उसको, ये पूरा हाथ से बनाते हैं इधर,
हैंडवर्क।
हाँ हैंडवर्क। और ये हो गया शीट्स, ये आपका हो गया पिल्लो इधर।
ओके।
ये हमारा जो है परदादे का है, उसके टाइम पे जमाने में चलते हैं, अभी हम लोग चलाते हैं इधर या हाउस बोट। और हाउस बोट बहुत बढ़िया है, लोग आते हैं हाउस बोट के लिए, रहने के लिए यहाँ। और एक्चुअली क्या होता है, हाउस बोट तो नॉवेल्टी रहते हैं, होटल में तो हमेशा रहते हैं।
वही तो
हाउस बोट जो है ये घर जैसा महसूस होता है, और घर जैसा सर्विस और व्यवहार आपको मिलेगा
एकदम।
ये बात है, वो बात नहीं है। हम लोगों को बोलते हैं आप आइए कश्मीर और घूमिए, यहाँ पूरा वादिया है, यहाँ गुलमर्ग है, सोनमर्ग है, पहलगाम है, और लोकल साइट सीन है, यूसमर्ग है, आपका तबीयत खुश हो जाएगी। ये बात जो मीडिया लोग बोलते हैं वो कुछ नहीं है, जब आप देखेंगे अपने आंखों से फिर आपको खुद मालूम।
सही बात।
ये बात।
Here there's a storeroom. See. And this is the washroom for this 3-bedroom. And every time you go out or wake up in the morning, you are right into Dal Lake. Amazing, amazing. The tariff is 3,500 per night, and I think it's negotiable. They will negotiate it up to 3K per night. And it's just amazing. And regarding the cold, yeah, it's very cold, but they will provide always electric kettles for tea and coffee, and of course the room heater service is there, and central heating is there, and of course you can get electric blankets. The houseboats hold the cultural heritage of Kashmiri locals. As mentioned earlier, these boats were part of the Kashmiri culture and the art of making them passed into generations. If you are planning your trip to Kashmir, the paradise on earth, please make a point to stay at least for one single day into houseboat. You will get a thrilling experience. And you can see these shikaras. In these shikaras, they'll be selling multiple things like shawls, saffron, fruits, vegetables, local flowers, Kashmiri shawls, including the world famous Kashmiri pashminas. Everything will be at your doorstep in the houseboat. It's really very cold, and now in houseboat we are having our dinner. Our food is ready to get served, and can you imagine floating on water and having great hot food? It's really superb. Morning! And now we are going to enjoy our tea, sitting literally in Dal Lake.
Boat house.
Yes, in the boat house, and yes, of course, in the Dal Lake.
You can see that boat house.
It's 7 in the morning and it's freezing cold. It's 3-degree temperature, and it's
What else other than tea? Hot tea.
hot tea. Oh,
And I'm still in this Farhan because it's having me actually. Are you ready with tea?
are leaving this wonderful houseboat, feeling a bit sad because we had really had a wonderful stay in this houseboat. And if you come in Srinagar, I'll give you the details, their phone number, the email ID, everything, so that you can book it online, or if you can come and see and explore and then book, then also it's fine. But it depends if it's occupied or not, so it's better if you book it online and come here. And they are really very warm. They provided us with very warm homely made foods, hot tea and coffee, warm blankets. It's excellent experience. So take care guys, whenever you come to Srinagar, and if you plan to stay in Dal Lake in houseboat, please make sure you check into New Melbourne. So now let's talk to the manager of this wonderful property.
हाँ, जितना भी है कश्मीर आइए, या हाउस बोट में रुकिए। हाउस बोट न्यू मेलबोर्न, ग्रुप ऑफ डल लेक, श्रीनगर। यहाँ हमारा हाउस बोट है, हम यहाँ का मैनेजर है। मेरा नाम है हिलाल अहमद। जो भी आना होगा तो कश्मीर आइए, हमारा नंबर इस पे है, आप इनसे कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हैं। और वेलकम कश्मीर।
बाय बाय भैया, खुदा हाफिज़।
फिर मिलेगा इंशाल्लाह।
मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह।
Bye.
बाय।